It is very rare for you to get a house that is as spacious as what I'm about to show you now for 280 million naira here in Lekki County Estate. Now, I am a realtor. I've taught several properties in this estate, and most of them are even above this price, and they are not as spacious as this four-bedroom townhouse terrace that I'm about to show you. It has a title of C of O. I went inside and I was really pleased with what I saw. Just hold on. In a couple of seconds, I'll flip this camera and then we'll tour this property together just as we always do. And if this fits into what you want, I'd advise that you contact me immediately because this just came into the market and it might not stay too long because of the price. It is quite rare to get a house for this price inside this estate. Now, this is a very secured estate, a call to access estate. They are very strict with security here, which is one of the reasons why I'm recommending it to you. Now, before I flip this camera to tour this property with you, I'll move around, give you a view of the surroundings and literally everything you need to know about it. If this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I have such a beautiful community here on YouTube that we're growing together, and we would really love to welcome you into that family. So as you're watching this video, all I need you to do is please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you get subsequent videos from us whenever we post a video here. And if this doesn't also fit into what you want, maybe you want a different kind of property, either above this price or below this price, you want a house, you want a land, sorry, or a shop, whatever you want, something that has installment payment plan for like up to 1 year, we have them at different locations. Just contact me and be sure that we'll get you something very credible. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we tour this property together while I give you more information about it. Let's go. So welcome back, beautiful people. Now this right here is the unit we would be inspecting. Now this is a habitable neighborhood. All right, before we go in to see the interior of this one, let's just move around to see what the surrounding looks like. We have 6 units of terraces right here, just 6 units. And I like the fact that this is that kind of terrace that does not have, some other ones right opposite it. It's just on one row, you see. All right, so let's just see the back before we go in. Now, the walkway to the back of the house by this corner piece is very spacious, and definitely this you can park your cars here. Let me show you from here so you see how spacious it is. So you can park your cars here if you buy the corner piece. Right here we have a CCTV camera at this angle, and then to the back here, see we have security lights all the way down. We have provisions for your tap right here for each unit, and over here is where we have the BQ. Over here is where we have the BQ. Now you can see there's a staircase here. So the thing is, you can exit from the kitchen. There's a staircase from the kitchen that brings you all the way down here, and then you exit here. So you have two access into the kitchen. You can either use here or from the main house. I'll get to show you that by the time we go upstairs for you to see the kitchen. So right here is the BQ. You might not be able to see the full size properly because of all of these things in here, but the BQ is spacious enough. A student size bed can fit in here and you still have space to move around. And then right here is the toilet and bath. Definitely all of these things will be cleared by the time payment for the house is made. And there's even still space here for you to put whatever you desire just by the staircase. All right, let's keep going. 4-bedroom terrace townhouse with PQ. All of the units are going for 280 million naira, both the corner piece and the middle unit. All right, so I want to give you a 360 view of the surrounding, of the building before we go inside. And you can see that the walkway is spacious enough. I'm standing here and you still have all of the space. So three people can literally walk side by side each other at the same time right here. That is how spacious it is. And even to this angle, also spacious. Now I like the fact that there's enough space in between this house and the one beside it, enough space so you can be sure of proper ventilation right here, even to the back. I know it might look very close in the video, but it is not as close as what you're seeing here. The building behind it is not as close as what you're seeing here, but this one is even more spacious. So be sure to get proper ventilation right in this house. All right, so we've moved round the compound and it is time to go inside. It's time to go inside. You see, it is spacious. The driveway is very spacious. This house is very unique. Aside the fact that the price makes it stand out, I told you it is very rare to get a house for this price inside Megamon Estate. Very rare. Okay, so we've moved around. Now let's go inside this unit. Now the compound space can take up to two cars, nothing more than two cars, and then you have enough space to move around. Remember, if you're getting the corner piece, there's even space beside it. So if what you want is the corner piece, this is the right time to give us a call immediately. You see, there's a device right here for you. Okay, so we're in now and it's time to explore this house. What you're seeing right here is the ante room, and I want you to see how spacious it is. I told you this house is very unique, it's very spacious, and you get to see that. It's time to confirm that. See how spacious the ante is. That's to tell you that I am actually right with what I am saying. And then it leads you to the guest room. Sorry, there's no light, so the video might not be very bright, but I'm just going to try as much as possible to make it bright enough for you to see. All right, so this is the guest room. Also, see how spacious it is. Wardrobe area, and then toilet and bath right here. The toilet and bath is dark, so we cannot go close to it. We cannot enter into it. So let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs. So on the ground floor, we only have the ante room and the guest room. So we're on the first floor. And right at this first floor, what we have here is the kitchen and the living area. But let's see the kitchen first. All right, let's see the kitchen. Also take note of the size of the kitchen. Let me stand here. See. See what you'll be getting for 280 million naira. I tell you that it is very rare. I mean, I've toured several properties. So if I tell you that it is very rare to get something of this nature, a house of this nature for this price, trust me, I'm saying it from experience. So we have a microwave, an oven. I just showed you a gas burner, an extractor up there. We have this kitchen island right here. And we have quite a number of cabinetries for storage right here. Quite a number of cabinetries that is designated for your refrigerator. And aside the cabinetries, we also have a pantry here for storage right here. And then this is that staircase I was telling you about that gives you, that exits you down to the BQ. And then right at this angle is where we have the living area. So the living area is on the first floor with the kitchen. This is the full size of the living area. This is the full size of it. It has a mute speaker right here. and then also has this TV console right here. And then to this angle is where we have the guest toilet right here. And then over here is um, the balcony. This is the balcony right here. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. So the last floor is what we're about to check right now. So on the ground floor, we have the ante room and the guest room. On the first floor, we have the living area and the kitchen. And on the second floor, we have the family lounge here. This is the size of it. And this is what it looks like from this angle. It's just too bad that there's no light right now. You have seen how really beautiful this house is. We've seen one room downstairs. This is room number 2. See the size of the room, and it is not even the master's bedroom. I'm trying to look for where I'll stand that will show the full size of this room properly. Just take a look. I don't think my video is, my camera is even doing justice to it. This room is super spacious. See, and it is not even the master's bedroom, it is just the basic room. You rarely get to come by the regular rooms that is this spacious. Now, for those who do not know where Lekki County Estate is, if you're coming from the Lekki axis, right after Chevron, Chevron is where we have the second toll gate. So right after Chevron is where you have Orchid. Then after Orchid, you have Ikota. Ikota is where we have Lekki County. Lekki County is just before the Ikota GRE. So for people who do not want to get to Aja, you don't want to get to Shangotedo, this is a very good place to settle in. And remember, I told you the estate is very secure. They do not compromise on security here. You need an access code to come in and to also go out of the estate. 280 million naira. We can have a slight negotiation, a slight reduction on the price when you give us a call. All right, so this is the master's bedroom, and this is the full size of the master's bedroom from this angle. And then let's see it from here as well. This is it from here as well. This is the size of it. And then right here is where we have the wardrobe area. Right here is where we have the wardrobe area. And then to this angle, we have the toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. Let me stand here first so you get to see the size of it. All right, so we have a bathtub here. We have this WC right here. To this angle is where we have the walk-in shower. And right here, so this is it, 4-bedroom terrace townhouse with a BQ selling for 280 million naira right here in Megamond Estate, Lekki County Homes. The price is slightly negotiable. Give us a call immediately if this fits into what you want. There are lots of people who want a property in this estate because it is also close to Chevron, but because of the price, they cannot get it. But now you're getting this one for 280 million naira, and I'm still telling you that we can have a slight negotiation on the price. You should jump on this offer because this will not stay too long in the market. Thank you for watching this video to this point. If you've stayed with us to this point, I am literally smiling right now, trust me. Kindly do well to hit the subscribe button so you get notified every time we post a video here. Till I come your way next time, my name is Victoria. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.